Hello friends. Identifying a plant is very important in gardening because without knowing a plant by its name, you cannot search for its care tips, especially for beginners. So today's short episode is on Schefflera or the umbrella plant, which is another addition in my plant identification playlist. We'll quickly learn how to care Schefflera plant and also the best method of propagation of these plants. Stay tuned. If you are a hobby gardener or interested in growing plants, consider subscribing to this channel. Also turn on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any updates. The Schefflera plant, also commonly called as the umbrella tree or the dwarf umbrella tree. It's a popular plant and comes in many varieties. This is the plant I recommend for beginners in gardening because this is very easy to maintain and very easy to care plant. Just remember few important care tips and you're done. There are many different botanical varieties of Schefflera plant like the Arboricola, Actinophylla and so on. The commonly grown houseplant is Arboricola, and what we commonly call this as the umbrella plant or the umbrella tree. This is actually an evergreen shrub or a small tree with a woody stem. It comes in two varieties, plain and the variegated, as you can see here. One interesting fact about the umbrella tree most of us are unaware is it can produce aerial roots just like banyan tree, but it's difficult to achieve this in container gardening. Firstly, it needs a good space for root development and then high humidity levels to produce these aerial roots. One more fact about this plant is that this is one of the recommended air purifying plants to grow at home. Now moving on to its care tips, we'll quickly run through some important points on its care. Sunlight. It grows very well in bright indirect sunlight or even filtered sunlight. Direct sunlight can cause leaf burn, but the variegated one tolerates sunlight well. Then the next one is water requirement. Only thing to remember is do not keep the soil soggy. Just water it on general requirement basis by checking if the topsoil is dry by dipping the finger. Overwatering can cause leaf yellowing and leaf drops. Then eventually root rot and death can occur. This can be prevented by choosing a well-draining soil for your plant. But this plant does well in any type of soil and hardly requires any fertilizer. You can sometimes add a handful of compost or cow dung powder once in about 2 or 3 months. Then the next factor is pruning. This is usually done to keep it in shape and make it more bushy. If you feel your plant is getting leggy or overgrown, then consider pruning. Then pest attacks. It's almost safe from pests, except sometimes spider mite infestation or mealybug infestation can be a problem. You can then spray neem oil solution once in a while to keep this at bay. Then repotting Schefflera plant, as usual, just tease some roots and repot into a larger pot. And this plant can thrive in any soil, as I said earlier. Now lastly, how to grow or how to propagate Schefflera plant. Best method to multiply this plant is through air layering method. You can also grow Schefflera plant from cuttings. You might need to dip this in rooting hormone powder and things like that. Woody or semi-woody cuttings can also be propagated in water. So there we have it folks. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below the video and consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. Happy gardening!